Hi, here is the Fuji Zoom Cardia Super 115 overall conditions. Okay, so when you want to open the battery, you need to use something to open it. You need to push the pin first. Okay, then only you take out. After that, using two CR123A battery, so you just put accordingly. Push it and push it like that. After that, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Then here is the film, test roll, and you need to slide into it from the bottom to the top and pull the film tip to here. Actually here you see you got a film tip and put a line at here, so you just pull until like that, will be okay lah. Yeah. And make sure that your film is flat like this, and yeah, here to put into, then you just close it, and here we start loading. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that you can start loading right now as it have loaded the film. So here is the power button. Okay, then this is zoom in and zoom out, and here is the shutter viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, at the center point got a bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim the thing that you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, if it's light up like this, which means that it's okay to shoot, so you just click it. The red light stands for flash and the green light stands for autofocus. And if it's blinking like this, which means that the flash doesn't radiate, that means okay, then just click it. Yep. And here you can switch the mode. This one is fuzzy mode, portrait, it will auto adjust, then step, continuous shooting, double exposure, and this one is INT, which means that it's like each 10 seconds it will shoot one shot. And this one is bug mode, which if you click, you didn't release the shutter, the shutter will keep open it until you release it. Yeah. Then overall it's like this, the mode. And for the flash setting, I would recommend you just put it at fully auto will do lah. Yeah. Unless like you want to switch, then you just click like this lah. Okay. Then here is the timer. And this one is 2 timer. Like that. Yeah. And here's the macro mode. It will zoom to the max, so it's just easy for you. Okay. And if you don't want, you just like zoom out, will do. Yep. And here's the snap mode. For the snap mode, it's just like it will be free focus, so you just shoot it. Now you need to charge the flash, so it will be slowly. Yeah, but you can see you can shoot it very fast. And here is the panorama mode. When you switch it, inside will become narrow. And here got a minus and plus, which is designed for some people who wear specs. You can adjust by yourself lah, where you see the viewfinder is clear or not. You just adjust until you clear, then will be okay. And when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind. So yeah, no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.